Hello guys, how are you? I'm Rizwan and I'm a full stack developer. In this video, we are going to solve some problems. We are going to do some JavaScript challenges. Not in this video, actually, we are going to do one problem in this video and we will do more in the coming videos. This is just a beginning and we are doing this. And this is not for beginners, absolute beginners. For not this is not for absolute beginners, so you have to have the knowledge of JavaScript. Like you have to you should know uh, basic things like if else statements, loops, variables, functions, etc. Okay. And in now what we are going to do is here you can see the problem is that given a number, determine how many digits it has or it contains. So you will have a number and you have to count the digits, how many digits it has, the number has. Example, 7 has one digit, 42 has digits, and 9087 has four digits. You have to iterate over this number and you have to count. You have a count variable and you have to increase that variable on each iteration. You will use loop here, okay? If you know if you know how to use array and you would have used a loop over the array with the array, and it looks weird that you are going to loop a number. So we will make it easy and I will explain how we can do it. Don't worry. In this problem you will learn loop control with numbers. So it means that you will use loop with a number, which you might have not used before. Termination condition, you will terminate the condition once the loop reaches its age. Case handling, mathematical versus logical thinking, and why simple problems still need careful design. You have to solve the problems. You have to do the problem carefully with a careful design, and even simpler problem. It means that even simpler problems, you have to use the careful design carefully. The core idea of this problem is that a digit is removed when we divide a number by 10. When a number is removed, or a digit is removed from the number when you divide by 10. When you divide a number by 10, what you get the result in decimal points, okay, in decimal, and which is not the correct. We have to do one more thing, that what we will do is we will floor that, we will round that to the bottom, to the bottom nearest number. So for example, if you divide any number by 10 and you get let's say you divide by 20 25 by 10, what you get 2.5. And to round this we will use math.floor, which we will get only 2, and we will remove the last digit 5. So if we keep removing digits one by one, the number of times we do it, digit count. So we have to keep it doing, okay? And we will use loop. Inside loop we will keep increasing the count each time. Next, keep dividing the number by 10 until nothing is left. So you have to keep dividing the number by 10 until you have nothing. I will show you how to do this. Algorithmic instructions. Here is the instruction in plain English algorithm, where step by step you will do this problem by reading these steps. So what you have to do first, you have to take a number, which means you will have a variable and a number into it. Then you will initialize a counter to 0. You will have another variable count, uh, 0 to it, 0 assigned to it. Then where it comes the real picture, then we will use loop, a while loop specifically, and inside this we will divide the number by 10 and we will increase the counter by 1. and then we will keep doing it until number becomes 0. So let's do it. We have a number, the first step. Let's say we have 10, and we have another variable count, which is 0. We will increase it on each iteration inside the while loop. And let's now use while loop. While num is greater than 0, what you have to do, you have to divide the number, okay, num, and assign it with itself into number. Num is equal to math.floor, uh, num divided by 10. Let's say if you have 10, let's say if you have 25, what you get here, you get 2, because you are using flow method, which rounds to the bottom, so the nearest bottom number, low number, which it becomes 2. 2.5 becomes 2, okay, and it is reassigning to the number is not now 25, but it is 2, okay. Then it comes a number here 2, then 2 is greater than 0, yes it is 0, then it will do the same thing. It should, now let's now what you have to do, you have to count, increase the count is on each iteration. You can see let's count this and use the console the count. To run the program, I'm using the Node.js. You can install Node.js and you can now run your program. How we do it? We use a node and followed by the file name count digits.js. How many digits we have? The number we have 2 digits. Okay, let's how many digits now? 6 digits. Let's run this program and we have 6 digits. One problem we will occur here if you notice. What you notice? Well, let's say what if we have 0? 0 is 1 digit, and what does it return? It returns nothing. So what we will do here, we will check it if number is equals to 0, and we will count. We will assign count. We will assign 1 to count. Let's check it.